Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline. In today's video, we're going to be crocheting this cute beanie. Also, if you like how I explain in my crochet tutorials and you'd love to learn more, especially as a beginner, kindly click on the link in the pinned comment to join my WhatsApp group. For this crochet beanie tutorial, I'll be using these two yarn colors. They are both cotton yarns, a 5.0 millimeter hook, a pair of scissors, a stitch marker, and your measuring tape. The measuring tape is very optional, so let's start the tutorial. This end is the tail of your yarn, and this other end is your working yarn. You're going to wrap this working yarn around these two fingers. You have a circle. Go into the circle, pull the working yarn and tie. You're going to go into this circle, adjust by pulling the working yarn to fit the size of your hook. So we're going to chain 4. To make a chain, yarn over and pull through and pull. This is the second chain, third chain and fourth chain, and this is what we have. Next, we're going to join the two ends together to form a ring. We're going to do that with a slip stitch. With the loop still on your hook, go into the first chain, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops on the hook, pull through the next loop, and you have a ring at the middle of your work. For round 1, we're going to chain 1. After that, we are going to place 12 half double crochet in this magic ring. Yarn over, go into the ring, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on the hook, pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over into the middle of your work, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, pull through all 3 loops. And that's a half double crochet. We're going to be working with our yarn tail here. So attach your yarn tail to your main work like this and hold. So we have 1, 2 half double crochet, and we need 10 more half double crochet in this ring or center of your work. Yarn over, go into, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on the hook, pull through all 3 loops. Repeat this till you have a total of 12 half double crochet in your ring. Gently pull your work a little bit to create space and place your remaining half double crochet. And this is what we have. You're going to come to the top of the first half double crochet and you're going to slip stitch to close this round. To do that, this is our first half double crochet and this is the top of our first half double crochet. So yarn over, pull through and pull through the next loop, and this is what we have. You can pull this yarn tail to close up the ring a little bit. So pull the yarn tail and it closes up the ring just a little bit. For the next round, chain 1 and we're going to place 2 half double crochet into every single stitch. We are trying to increase this circle. Remember, on the previous round we slip stitched at the top of the first half double crochet to close up our round. For this next round, you're going to place 2 half double crochet into that first half double crochet stitch. First half double crochet, and the second half double crochet in that same space. You're going to mark your first half double crochet of the round with a stitch marker. Come to the top of the first half double crochet and mark. Repeat 2 half double crochet into every single stitch till you're at the end of this round. We are at the end of the round. There's a space right here. Please do not place a half double crochet in this space here at the center because it is not a regular half double crochet stitch. Rather, it is a slip stitch space that was done on the previous round. To close this round, we are going to slip stitch at the top of the first half double crochet. Take out your stitch marker, come to the top of the first stitch, yarn over, pull through and pull through the next. For the third round, chain 1. We're going to place 1 half double crochet into the first stitch and 2 half double crochet into the second stitch. Remember, we're trying to increase this circle. 2 half double crochet, yarn over, pull through, first half double crochet, second half double, and we're going to place 1 in the next and 2 in the next stitch. The pattern for this round is 1 2 1 2. 1 half double crochet into the first stitch, 2 half double crochet in the second stitch. At the end of the round, slip stitch at the top of the first half double crochet. For the next round, chain 1, we are going to place 1 half double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Into the first stitch, place your first half double crochet. Into the next stitch, 1 half double crochet, and in the third stitch we're placing 2 half double crochet. This is your first and your second half double crochet in that same stitch. So 1 1 2, 1 half double crochet into the first 2 stitches, 2 half double crochet in the third stitch. Repeat this all around till you're at the last stitch. Take out your stitch marker, slip stitch at the top of the first half double crochet. You're going to repeat this slip stitching at the end of every round. For the next round, chain 1. We're going to place 1 half double crochet into the first 3 stitches, 1 2 and 3. If you notice, every round increases by 1 stitch, okay? And in the fourth stitch, you're placing 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2. Repeat this pattern till you're at the end. 1 half double crochet into the first 3 stitches. In the fourth stitch, place 2 half double crochet, which is 1 1 1 2. Close the round with a slip stitch. For the next round, we're going to chain 1 and place 1 half double crochet into the next 4 stitches. So into this first stitch, our first half double crochet, second half double, third half double, and fourth. Into the fifth stitch, we're placing 1 half double crochet first and the second half double crochet. The pattern is 1 1 1 1 2. Close the round with a slip stitch and chain 1. This part of our beanie is called the top or the crown of our beanie, and the size of this crown determines the size of your beanie. So if you're crocheting this for a small size, you can stop crocheting here. And we've done 1 2 3 4 5 6 rounds, and this measures 5.4 inches. So you can take 5.5, that's fine. I'm going to go one more round of increasing, which will make it the seventh round for a medium size. So if you're crocheting this beanie for a large size, you can go ahead to add one more round of increasing. That will be the eighth round. If you want to go larger, the ninth round. It really depends on how large you want your beanie to be. So I really hope that's clear. Chain one. For my last round of increasing, I'm going to place, oops, one half double crochet into the next 5 stitches. This is the first half double crochet, the second, third, fifth, and in the sixth stitch you're placing two half double crochet. Like I said earlier, every round increases by one stitch. So the pattern for this round is 1 1 1 1 2, one half double crochet into the first 5 stitches, two half double crochet in the sixth stitch. Also, the size of yarn you're using to crochet determines the number of rounds you're going to be having. But for a size medium, I'm going to give you a measurement, so you can decide to follow the measurement or increase further. And this measures 6.5 inches for 7 rounds. For the next round, I'll be working with one half double crochet into every single stitch without increasing on any stitch. Chain one, go into the first stitch with one half double crochet into the second, one half double. This is my first round of placing one half double crochet into every single stitch without increasing, and you're going to repeat this last round till you have the length of your beanie. Remember, it is a foldable beanie, so you're going to keep crocheting till you have a long length that is able to fold. But I'll go ahead to crochet a couple rounds and I'll let you know how many rounds I crochet. Don't forget to always slip stitch at the end of your round, and to begin your round, chain one, place one half double crochet around till you have the length of your beanie. Double crochet at the last stitch, slip stitching at the top of the first half double crochet of the round. So after you finish crocheting till you have the length of your beanie, you're going to chain up one, grab your scissors and cut this off, pull through, tighten up. After increasing the size of the crown of our beanie, I went ahead to place one half double crochet into every single stitch without increasing, and I did that for about 20 rounds, and this is what I have. This is the length of my beanie, and I made it this short because I just want to be able to fold one time. Remember, it's a foldable beanie. This one time, and I said earlier, if you'd want to be able to fold yours more than once, you have to add more rounds. That you make more than 20 rounds to increase the length. Okay, I really hope that's clear. We're finally done with our beanie and it's time to sew in the loose ends. I'll use a 2.5 millimeter hook because it's a small hook size, but you can use a yarn needle. I don't have one right now, I would have shown you, but yeah. So to do that, to sew in your loose end using a small hook size, you need to come to the top of some stitches, just the top. You're going to go at the top of the stitch, yarn over and pull your loose end through. You're going to do this randomly though. Top of some stitches, yarn over, pull through. You repeat this process a couple times till you're satisfied with the length of loose end you've sewn into your work. After that, you can just go ahead to cut off your yarn and you have safely secured your work. So to fold your beanie as a foldable beanie that we just made, this is the right side of our work, and this end we're going to pull it up on both sides properly. You're going to have something like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you'd like a tutorial on next, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.